I'm the teacher mom, and today we're gonna learn how to make sheep shank with this rope. The use of sheep shank is to shorten the rope. So this is how it goes. First, you gotta make a loop by crossing our lower end over our upper end. This way. Okay, now we make it horizontal. Try to make the right end straight. Then you gotta make a Z from the right end. See? Lift up the lower angle of Z. See, we've got an upper angle, a lower angle. Lift up the lower angle, put it in our first loop. Okay? Don't need to do anything to the loop now. Just pull our left end and make it tight. This is the left side, and for the right side we make a loop which from the right end this way. This is how we make a loop. This was our right end. It was our standing end when we fixed the left side. Now this is gonna be our working end, and we make a loop which goes upwards this way. Okay, and then we take the upper angle of our letter Z and put it inside the loop. Okay, we put it inside the loop this way. See, I put it inside the loop and pull on the right end. Okay, I pull it on the right end. You shouldn't pull on the loop or the angle, the upper or the lower angle of Z. You just have to pull on the ends, the left and the right ends. See? So this is a stress bearing knot. That is, it can bear a lot of stress. The more the tension, the better. See? If the tension is more, it will sustain, and if the tension is gone, if you release the tension, you lose the knot. Okay, keep practicing. Bye for now.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.